Alright, bye, Miss Lori. Bye. You didn't drive?
I'm not there.
What?
I wasn't there when I pulled back up.
Is somebody trying to joke on me?
Where the hell am I going to put the damn water at?
How did you do that? Ah, Timmy! I was like, my ear could be like...
I told you not to mess with me.
How did you get under there?
Dun, dun, dun.
I went outside, took the keys.
We did it first there. How about retard while you're up pumping? Pump up to the tractor and should I park it here?
I was going to park it at the other side and be like, no, you get that car on the other side.
No, that was better because I was like, is my car stolen? Oh my god.
You see your face?
You didn't know it, anything.
I get the camera out. That's just what I can only do it for the videotape.
I hate y'all. I was so going to call you to be like, you hit my car.
You see your face? She's like,
Oh, look, the dogs are going into your car. It's really hard. I am not crossing. Have fun, Nicole. You did it. Go get my car. Go get my car.
I got my I told you I could eat it. Oh, video did this. Come on, keep walking to the car. Come on, keep walking to the car.
Hey, Clover 301! Go get my car! Go get my car! Go get my car, Jason!
Yeah, just listen to it, just
Oh, stop chasing me! Hey, go get my car so bad at y'all. I'm saying, stop chasing me. I'm serious.